on to the next. Ew, it smells like pee in here. Oh, baby, this is a complete gut. Oh, ew, ew, ew. This place is ill. Hey guys, happy Sunday. I am headed to an open house. We're doing open house Sundays today. Just gonna look at a few different open houses because I enjoy doing that. You know, it's nice to meet new agents as well. So yeah, follow me. I'm going to go look at a few different houses today. I'm gonna see if I can get some expensive ones in there because those are always fun to look at. And yeah, let's come along for the ride. I'm checking back in because I just got a text message from my team lead, and she was asking about an organization that I needed to join, that my old agency, well, two things: they never sent the application in and I never paid for it because it was like $400, and at the time I didn't have it, so I was like and I wasn't selling any real estate. I was just giving them money, and you know, it wasn't really working, so I didn't ever send the application in. Long story short, this is another, you know, thing you have to deal with real estate. It's not a lot of money up front. Like, I feel like people think that it can get expensive, but it's not to the point where it's like it's enough to, it should be enough to stop you from doing it. Okay, sometimes you pull up to an open house and you're pretty sure no one's there. Like right now, it looks like there's no cars. There's not even a car in the driveway. Maybe there's someone in there, but let's go see. I'm actually gonna cookie. I texted her about something. Let's go see what the house looks like on the inside. If it's open. This is the house. I'm not gonna show the sign, but this is the house. But just like I said, no one's here. I knew it. Sometimes it'll be listed as an open house, you know, online. You go check it out, and there's no one in there. The agent's not there. I guess that whatever circumstances changed, and for whatever reason they didn't take it offline. So open house canceled for this one. On to the next. Okay, I got kind of a late start to the day, so I am kind of, you know, trying to fit whatever open houses I can in. Usually start around like 10. They go around to like 3 or 4. It's 2:50 right now, so I'm gonna see if I can see at least 1 or 2 houses. But I don't know what the ugly laugh was. This house is $829,000. Hopefully it's open. It says open till 1 to 4, so that means I have another hour. So let's head on down there. That's the way it was. That's the way it was. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. I can't lie, I can tell you're jaded, baby. Hit that jam and get back fine. Go get that degree. It's funny because this neighborhood that I'm going to, where the open house is, I actually made a delivery over here when I used to do like Lyft and DoorDash and all that stuff. I made a delivery over here. I was like, I didn't know this neighborhood was even back here because it's like hella tucked away. This is the $800,000 house, so of course it's hella tucked away. It's real cute. Kind of like a, I don't know what you call it, full circle, some kind of circle, a semicircle type of moment. I was like, oh, I was over here making deliveries, and now I'm over here going to an open house. Cute, a cute moment. This is the neighborhood. Just want to show you guys some of the houses. Beautiful homes. Oops, really large and in charge. So this is the house. So yeah, this open house is actually still going on. People are walking in now. It's still got about like 40 minutes until it's over. So let's go see what it looks like. It's an interesting looking house. Happy that it's active. Let me show you. Bathroom here. This is me just showing stuff really randomly. This is a nice mirror. Isn't that cute? Cute mirror. Okay, this is the front door. Living space. There's a master down here. I believe. Office here. What are we doing? What is it up? Let's do the car. Cute. Let's look at the view. Nice wooded view. Let me show you guys upstairs. Oops. This is a cute area. They cleared it out nicely, so there's not stuff all over the place. Beautiful. Look at that. That's the seating area right there. Down the stairs. This is a nice chandelier going. This is another room. Nice view. Seems like the house has lots of entrances and like tucked away spaces, like a lot of hallways. All right, this is nice. Another little room. The closet. So that's the kitchen. Nice. Hummingbird. Love some stained glass. That's nice. So that was the open house. My forehead looks so shiny. There are quite a few people in there, so I just wanted to show you the house. I mean, it definitely had a lot of space, but also had a lot of walls and a lot of like everything was really separated. But you got a good overview of the entire house. Beautiful home. You're paying for the neighborhood. You know, you have lots of space, and it's a tucked away community type of area, so it's cute. So I'm at another open house like here. These are just standard looking houses, nothing like super special to see on the outside. This one's $285, and let's go take a look inside, see what it looks like. Let's put it in here. This is laundry. Looks like here, garage, living space. Okay, this is one of the rooms. Standard. Another den. This is another room. Actually, there's 2 windows and a closet. This is another room. Standard. Another room here. Dining. It's like a local thing. Anyway, that was a tiny house. It's cute. Well decorated. The tiling looks good. The flooring looks good. The bathroom looks good. The kitchen looks good. They said they already have offers, and they have 3 more coming, or you know, that they're hoping. So that was interesting.
Put up, it took a few people that did that, and you know, we just
People are out here, y'all, trying to sell these houses. Okay, I've been told this unit needs a lot of work, so let's head on in and see what we can see. Oh! Ew, it smells like pee in here. Oh yeah, this is not moving ready at all. This is a good size though. Oh baby, this is a complete gut. Oh! So I'm looking to like buy an investment property, and this one already has a tenant, but this unit, as you can see, is a complete gut. And there's a few other ones over there that look like they're completely boarded up, which might be cheaper to buy those and just do a complete gut on those, as opposed to buying this one and having to do repairs on this one. What's this? Y'all, I'm like scared to touch stuff. Little closet. I mean, lots of potential. Are these wooden floors? They are. Yes. Interesting. But yeah, this is the bathroom. I'm not even gonna touch that because there's no reason. Y'all, what the heck am I doing in here? I don't know what the structure is like, but you could probably repair this. Like if the structure is not too bad, you wouldn't need a whole lot of money for repairs, but I don't know. Ew, this place is ill. It's actually a cute spot though. Like the location, I don't know, I see some potential here. All right guys, I have to go. Maybe I'll be back, who knows? These things right here, these Mountain Dews are so good. They're delicious. If you haven't had them, you need to try them.